Good afternoon everyone. Ang experiment po namin for today is tinatawag na balloon rocket experiment.
At ang materials po namin ay string, pencil, binder clips,
Wrapping paper, piece of paper, at isang measuring tape.
materials are straw, balloon tape.
Ang first step ay tie the string or rope to one of the posts at the height of at least 3 feet. Leave the other end loose.
Pakita ko muna yung 36. Ayan, 36.
Tapos, nasaan yung string?
Replay ulit. Okay.
Dali! Akala mo nag-video ako?
Nagasunod naman ako ng video. Taliin nyo.
Dali, alam.
Taliin nyo ah. Ayan. Isa pang tali.
Hindi makabata eh. Maskit naman ako dyan. The second step is add some straws into leads that will fit in your balloon. Water level straw is usually a good blend.
My friend. Pakita mo yung camera. Yes.
Okay.
Inflate a balloon and seal the air inside by folding the neck over once and clamping it shut with a binder clip.
Isa pa. 2, 3. Eh, di ba
Fold once.
sabi mo ako 2, 3? Hindi, fold mo muna.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Diba?
Yan.
Step number 4. Measure and record your balloon circumference by wrapping your tape measure around the balloon's widest point. You might need your helper to lend a hand. Keeping the balloon's opening shut, tape a straw to your inflated balloon. Make sure the straw and the nozzle of the balloon are parallel to each other.
28 inches.
Pause.
Tape a straw to your balloon. Make sure the glue straw and nozzle of the balloon are parallel to each other.
Parallel.
Thanks, friend. Ayun naman masyado.
Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Yan.
Ay, sorry.
Eh?
Ipitin mo na. Wait.
Ano ba eh?
Ipitin mo na. Hindi mo ipitin. Alam ko ata hindi mo ipitin yan. Kasi sa rocket launcher pa.
Sinisisip.
Tapos,
Nawawalan.
3 go.
The fifth step is thread the loose end of your string through the straw so that the neck of the balloon is facing towards you.
True. Lalabasin ko dyan. Ang hirap naman.
Dilaan mo. Ay, dilawan mo.
The balloon is facing towards me.
Alam ko, go.
Pull your string taut and line it up with your second post. Measure a point off the ground that the same height as the knot holding the other end of the string to the first two Be sure to hold the string at this height whenever you're conducting a balloon launching trial. Second.
Okay na?
Huwag naman ganyan.
Sige na.
Repeat steps 5, 8 with 2 more balloons inflated to the same circumference as your first balloon.
Count down to 0 and let the rocket fly. Have your helper use the tape measure to measure and record the point on the string at which the balloon is stopped.
Kabilang.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, di ba? Hindi siya lumipad!
Oo. Ah, ganda!
Ayoko, baby!
Thanks for watching, ma'am. Sana ipasama ko.
Thank you for watching, ma'am.
Yun lang.
No, 3.
Thank you for watching, ma'am.
Pag-graduatein mo ako. Pag-graduatein mo ako. Pag-graduatein mo ako.
Ma'am, congratulations.
Ako rin, ma'am. Pasama ko, mama.
Go.
Hi, ma'am! Thank you so much noon sa sana pasama ko kami kahit marami ako absent. Thank you!
Ma'am, hindi ako virgin.
Ito na.